Alright, so if you guys remember back to Algebra 1 as well as the Inspire activity we just did, there's a general equation for the line that we basically call that slope-intercept form. Do you guys remember what that is called? What was the equation for slope-intercept form? Cheyenne?
Y equals x plus b.
Exactly. What does the m represent?
Slope.
M is slope. Very good. This is representing slope. So that number in front of x is always going to be your slope. And it's really important we make sure we understand that. This is something that goes well beyond the mathematics classroom. Understanding how that value in front of x affects the rise and the run of the line, affecting how it increases or decreases. So if you guys remember, slope, in this case m, is rise over run. How do you find the rise of a line?
Like, how far it goes, like.
Yeah, how do you determine that?
Well, I don't know how to explain. It's just, you just find it.
Just find it. What if I give you 2 points? How would you find the rise?
2 points. You could use the slope equation.
Yeah, the slope formula, which is what?
Wait. Okay, so it'd be y2 minus y1 over
There we go.
x.
Okay, so the y2 minus y1 gives me my rise. We would also call it the change in y. That's what the triangle means there. When you get into sciences, the triangle means delta. And delta means change. So the change in y. Now, how would I find my run? Diane?
X2 minus x1.
X2 minus x1. And again, is our delta x. Change in y over the change in x. Okay, so that's always going to be that number in front of x. It's going to tell us how much we're changing by. What does my b represent, Tommy? From the activity, what did we learn about the b? You must learn something from doing that. What does the b represent? What about the coordinate? You need to think a little bit more for me there. Think about what that represents in this whole thing and in the graph. So remember, you use the slider, right, in activity? How did that slider affect where the graph is positioned? What did the changing in the b value do to the line? It increased it? What do you mean? Okay, so it moves it up and down the y-axis, right? All right, so our b in that case represents our y-intercept. And effectively tells us where we start. So when you're plotting the graph, you're always going to start at the y-intercept. So understand that y equals mx plus b, what we're going to be doing today, we're not going to be graphing so much, but what we're going to be doing is writing in the equation of a line. We're going to start in really basic baby steps here. Really, really simple baby steps. So I'm going to give you the slope and the y-intercept, and I want you to give me the equation of the line. So again, let's write that out one more time. The equation of our line is y equals mx plus b. Okay, so if I can look at example 1, Christina, what would be the equation of my line? So y equals negative 3x plus 7. Do we agree? All right, so Balin, what about number 2? Pretty simple, right? Here's your slope, here's your y-intercept, and we're done. Any questions on that? On where to put those? Again, m is our slope, b is the y-intercept. Probably should write those things down, just want to make sure we remember them. Okay, so I want you guys to try example 3 and 4. so here we go. Ted, what'd you get for number 3?
Negative 8 over 11x minus 15.
Remember to put the y equals out there, out in front. Right there. So y equals, we get 8 over 11x minus 15. That's all 15. All right, and let's see, Morgan Stone, number 4. Hey, how are we feeling about this? Can we handle this?